Here we have a 22 plate Ford Transit Custom 300 Trail EcoBlue. Now this vehicle comes with the 16-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all unmarked. We do also have the matte grey exterior paintwork. We have the LED daytime running headlights, the Ford Raptor style front grille. Round to the passenger side, you'll find we have the trail along the bottom of the doors. We also have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, the side door on the passenger side. Now we also have front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera and a visual display inside. We also have the Transit Custom badging on the rear doors, again the trail on the bottom right. Back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. We do also have the mud flaps as well on each corner. Taking a look at the interior, you'll find we have the leather seats. We do have the armrest as well for the driver. Got the electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights down here, multifunctional steering wheel. Let's take a seat inside. You'll find the dashboard in front with the digital screen in the centre. Put a foot in the clutch and turn the vehicle on. Just make sure you can turn it on. We've got the volume buttons here on the left, speedometer and the cruise control as well just there. Phone connectivity on the right. We do also have the dashboard, which is free from any warning lights. Got the main infotainment screen. Plenty of features on here, you would have seen all on the photos. You can see we have the radio stations, we also have the Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth phone connectivity, we've got the mobile apps. Go on to settings, you can scroll through other features just like so. Further down from there, you've got the climate control, the ice-cold air conditioning. We do also have the 6-speed manual gearbox. Pop the car into reverse, you've got the reverse camera with the front and rear parking sensors. Back into neutral, just like so. We also have a rear view camera as well. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.